All right, let's take a look at SSA and how we use the Canvas Map app. All right, we're on our dashboard. You want to go and click on Clients and go to Canvas Map. Okay, the first thing we want to do is change this map over to satellite view. Okay, now you use two fingers to maneuver the map around inside of the box. Okay, you can see that we're canvassing a neighborhood and we've got different colored pins. Okay, all of your statuses are already color coded for you. So let's go ahead and drop a pin. We're in this Oakley subdivision here, and obviously we have a lot of houses that we haven't hit. Let's take a look at one of the pins that we've got. Okay, we've got an appointment set. That's great. So we're working this one right here as you're coming in to the neighborhood. So let's click on, in the upper right hand corner, the black pin drop. That's going to drop a white pin in the center of the screen for you. Now let's move that over to the house that we're wanting to work. All right, and then once we move it with our finger, we're going to click it. Now we're going to be able to edit that information. Put all the information that you've got. You may not have a lot, but you may have a name and a phone number. This particular one, we're going to act like we have a phone number, a name. We're going to set our status to appointment, and we're going to save that pin. Now, there's also, if you will look under clients, I've still got the button open, and at the very bottom you can see that you've got leads. That's something that's new. Okay, if you'll click on a lead, you can create a lead quickly, either in your Canvas map or through the leads button. If all you've got is an address and a phone number, or just an address, you can create a lead and not have to create the client in the job yet. So we're still in the Canvas map, and now this is going to be in our leads button. So we're back at this house the next day for our appointment, and we had a good demo. So now we're going to make the client. Okay, we've got the name in, it's test client. We've got some general information in. The Canvas map will automatically fill the address for you. So let's put our phone number in. And now let's add the client. Okay, we've got this in as a duplicate, so SSA is telling us not to create it, or if we want to, we may be using the same name because we're canvassing and that's just what we're using. So let's go ahead and click create, even though we know that this might be a duplicate. We've got our status in. We need to change that. We have a contract now. We need to set a name for the job. It will not let you update the job without a job name. And you need to add yourself as the salesman at this point. That's one more thing that it will not let you create the job without. So now let's give ourselves access at the bottom. And if you need to go ahead and put the production manager's name or sales team manager's name, whoever else needs to be in that, need to go ahead and add them for access. And let's create that job. Okay, now we have created it from a lead, a Canvas map lead, and we've created the client, and we've created the job. So that's how you're going to be able to use the Canvas map. Let's go back and change the view. And you see that our pin drop has changed to show that we have it under contract now. So we've got a couple of contracts here, which is great. And you can also see that we still have some other houses that we can be working, and we'll just enlarge the view a little bit. Now, we've really got something to hang our hat on now. We've got 3 more houses inside of this view right here.